Yeah, because basically I wanted to come on live and check in with everybody and just let y'all know, because it's a lot. I've been posting a lot and stuff like that, and then also like to find out if anybody got any questions or anything like that, because things are moving pretty fast right now. First off, next Thursday we're gonna have the relationship thought-filled Thursdays. It's gonna be the Valentine's Day edition. That's gonna be epic. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna it's gonna be on my live and under Preacher Mac app, Preacher Mac. That's Preacher MAC. It's gonna be on his live and my live. And we basically going to do our same relationship talk. It's just we're going to cover some Valentine's Day type of stuff, and we also doing a giveaway. We want people to send us their best and their worst. Tell us briefly the story of your best and or your worst Valentine's Day. So that should be fun. It starts at 9 a.m. Eastern, but it's going to be on there the whole rest of the day. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm sewing a wig. Hey, David the Uncrowned King. What's happening, man? Make sure you tune in on Valentine's Day if you can. Even if you can't, we're gonna put it on YouTube. The rest of the for those of you that want to get a feel of it, the previous Thought-Filled Thursdays are on my YouTube channel. I'll make sure that I put the link in my bio this afternoon. But you can just look under FeliceHD, and I think it's two ones. We lost one. One didn't record well at all, so we're gonna try to record, and we want some live interaction too. So Preacher Mac is really experienced in terms of relationship counseling. So for those of you that have any questions that you want to talk about, just to provide some updates, I have the accessibility turned on for Primo Noir to be able to sell gift certificates. So I want those of you that are looking for something new or different to give to people. We have some botanicals already on sale online at www.PrimoNoir.com. But we also have some new products that are going to be coming out soon. We're still finalizing the branding for those, but in another few weeks, those will be released. The most recently released is our hair growth formula. So for those of you that are having any type of issues with growth, you can always come through if you're in the Washington metropolitan area and get a free consultation. We're located in Bowie. But I'm sorry. Basically, I just wanted to reach out and let everybody kind of know what's going on, because I've been posting, and then also let everybody know that I owe a few of you an apology. I have some video footage that I need to post that I had planned on posting. So everybody that was at the Black Business Festival, this year, I am going to post that that footage. I'm going to commit to posting that footage this weekend, and I apologize for the delay on that. Let's see what else. The bundles are on sale now. I had a couple people hit me up and ask me, like, what's the quality? I'm gonna tell y'all right now. This here moves, okay? Y'all wanna know what's the quality? Let me tell you something. I have given y'all the best deal that y'all gonna get on this quality of hair. I can tell you that right now. So I'm not going no lower. I can't go no lower. And you guys should know that I'm gonna operate with that level of integrity. You'll see that when you place your order and you see the quality of the hair. Because to be perfectly honest with you, you could cut corners, but you run the risk. You know, you might get a batch that I don't even have to tell y'all. Those of you that wear hair, I don't even have to tell y'all everything that could go wrong with it. So, you know, when y'all get tired of dealing with all this other foolishness that's going on with this hair, then y'all come hit me up. Oh, what else? Oh, make sure you go to check out our specials. We got a lot of specials this month. Hey Parisha, what's going on? What's up, lady? I want to see if you could tune in on Thursday, because we're gonna be doing the most. And also, if you know anybody that's dealing with hair loss, and I'm talking about real severe, any type of hair loss, and I'm talking about anything, edges, thinning. We also able to reverse graying. I really want some people that can take some before and after pictures, because people keep asking me for before and after pictures, but I don't feel comfortable with taking pictures of people here if they don't feel comfortable. You know what I'm saying? So it's not that I'm ignoring the people that, you know, and I use my hair. I use it on my head, so it worked. I can guarantee that. As a matter of fact. And I'm looking for people that want to transition from chemicals to natural too. Because they keep on telling y'all that y'all got to cut all y'all hair off, but y'all don't have to. I mean, not all at once anyway. You got to cut some of it off. Hey, Sandy Mae. Hey, Parisha. What's up, ladies? You see me? I'm going to try to show you what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting here. I'm about to make me some hair. Can I take it off? I got to stop because I got to go get Kayla. Well, I'm going to show you right here. I'm making me a wig. I'm about to make me a little wig so I can tuck my hair under here. Wait till you see this. You going to be done. Wait till you see this. Gonna ask me, do my growth. A lady actually hit me up and asked me that too. Do my hair growth stuff work? You see this? This is what's left. I done cut like 2 or 3 inches. Probably 2 or 3 inches every month off my hair for like the past 3. Nah, I say maybe 3-4 months. My hair is thick as I don't know what. And the reason why I started using it, even though I had used it before, the reason why I started using my growth oil is because I had got snatched. I had one of my braids done by this lady that snatched my edges out, and I I cherish my edges. I don't be playing around with my edges. I don't know why y'all keep letting people play around with y'all edges. I was gonna come in here, I was gonna come on live and go on YouTube and all that stuff and make some videos. But all these people, do you see my hair, bro? My hair is thick as I don't know what. You can't even see it because of the glare. My hair is thick as I don't know what. This stuff ain't going nowhere. I cut all my perm out. I'm about to braid this thing down. Soon as I finish my old nasty wig I'm about to make me. I got enough for 2, honestly. So I might make me 2 wigs so I can switch them up. But I'm about to braid this stuff down. This stuff is thick as I don't know what. And my edges are intact. This is my edges. Like if I comb it like right here, this is my edges, bro. That's my edges. Some of y'all got hair, and I keep on reaching out. Like, I think people think I'm bluffing, cause it's like 50 million different hair growth products. I get it. Like, they not all the same though. Like, this is my edges. Y'all don't understand. My edges is as long as my hair. I'm done cutting, by the way. I'm done. I cut all the perm out like probably like a month ago. I was cutting 2 or 3 inches out my hair every time I washed it. And you know, come on, I'm in my 40s. I told y'all my stuff reverse gray. I don't know why y'all don't listen to me. I make my own stuff, Patricia. It's all natural. It's all natural herbs. It's all natural oils. I don't have no gray. I think I had more gray when I was working here than I do now. I done figured out, I'm telling you, I did my research and I done figured out a way to make your hair grow. I done figured out a way to reverse gray. I don't have no gray no more. I don't have no gray. I was getting ready to have a soul patch. I'm serious. I was getting ready to have so much gray in my hair, it wasn't even funny. And I don't even have that no more. It's gone. And I saw it. Because I had, when I first started using the products, I had some strands of my hair that was like gray on the end. And it was literally growing dark out of my roots. Now, I can't make it come out another color. So, you know, I'm working on the process now to find some natural hair color. So I took the henna class so I could learn how to do like maybe color that's natural, that's not gonna tear your hair up. But yeah, I gotta run an errand, but I'm gonna come back. I got you, Patricia. You let me know. I think I might do some scalp analysis this weekend. Just tell people to come in and I just do like try to do all my consultations this weekend, cause. And then also make sure y'all go and sign up for Rootin' DC. It's a free forum. They gonna have it down in Deanwood this year. It's usually in Chesapeake. It's usually down Chesapeake, but it's gonna be at Deanwood. I think it's Ron Brown. Just go to rootindc.com, because my class is, I'm doing a class and it's free to the community. So make sure y'all sign up and come out. It's February 23rd. I've been posting the ads about that too. And the class I'm doing is on how to use plants. How to use plants for health, beauty, and hygiene. And I think you guys will be able to get a lot of your questions answered there as well. So make sure y'all spread the word.
You might catch an L or come cross some ice. You might end up broken, have to pay the price. You might end up rich and let you go. You could lose your life. I'm down to break the law like me.
Well, as if that isn't enough, that's it for today. Make sure that you like and subscribe and click the notifications so we can stay connected, because guess what? In 2019, I'm going to tear these YouTube streets apart. It's like, no, actually, I have so much amazing content. I was looking for something else, and I stumbled up on this and a whole lot of other content that I have really been meaning to put out. So there's going to be a lot more where this came from. You guys got to hit me up. Make sure you stay connected. Go to www.PrimoNoir.com if you're in the Washington metropolitan area to set up your booking, your gift certificates. Come to some of our events. Primo Noir, Organics and Botanicals, promotes healthy living through urban farming and all natural hair and skincare products designed for you to grow the longest, thickest hair, brows, and lashes possible. Join our referral program to earn cash, commissions, and bonuses. Text now for your free consultation or use the discount code PNBOGO for a 2-for-1 on all botanicals.